Hi, my name is Melody Morales Morales. Today I'm going to talk about my weekend plans and my courses for next semester. I will also show I I made some students these chance week's plans changing. These weeks can on Saturday morning, I'm going to visiting my grandparents in the afternoon. I was going to go to the mountains to watch the last planets. I was so exciting that because I did wanting to say it's for works. Wow, years when I checked the science maps, I realized that were no more tickets in the was completely sold out. Okay, then I will watch another match in the stands. I think I will watch the lens in the labs that because the trailer looks really interesting. Also, the Sunday I'm going to clean my room and study for my English class. It will be a product the weekend and I open I can find is all my tasks. Uh, for next semester is good plan is to reference for English communication to introduction to SICU SICU noun and the environmentals and the I was challenge the cause all the core system inter starting and ja stuff. Google is justified on that environmental essence is not available because the tier chair is of flared. At first, I was a little frustrated that button I decided that I will thank you social love stands in the interesting in the if first perfect laying my chair. Now I'm going to take the coursing tal I also going to the study art this semester because I want to improvise my grandest and learns more. I felt motivation in the reds for the child in the head. Thank you of all for die. Thank you for listening. In hope enjoy my monologue about my work keeping plans and the university courses and how my goals see change with things change.